welcome back. Happy Thursday. We are so close to the weekend. Yay. So I am super excited. I know I say that all the time, but I mean it. I really am so super excited. So today, as you can see from the description below, I do have my June 2019 GlobeIn box. Now, I am so excited because this subscription for the last couple of months has really grown to become one of my favorites. It is just so unique and beautiful. The products are absolutely amazing. The themes that they have are wonderful. So before we get into the actual unboxing, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about GlobeIn if you are not familiar with it. And that is, it is a subscription that gives back, which I love. I absolutely love that. They work with companies that promote fair trade, fair wages, and I just think that is absolutely amazing. Most of these products, if not all, are handmade from artisans all over the world, hence GlobeIn. So I just think it is so beautiful. They do have a theme every month, and it is a curated theme, which is always super adorable and cute and fun and beautiful. However, if that theme isn't really your style, they usually have a total of 4 to 5 to choose from, so you can change from the actual theme of the month. Now, I did choose the June theme because I thought it was super cute. I will have a separate video where I did some add-ons, and one of the things you can do as an add-on is one of the other themed boxes, which I did. So you'll see that in a future video. But a little bit about the pricing. Now, GlobeIn is $40 a month for their premium artisan box with $10 shipping. So $50 a month. But you guys, it is absolutely worth it. However, here's the good part. I have a link I will put down below where you can try GlobeIn and get your first month for only $10. That's right, y'all, $10. They don't charge shipping, nothing else, literally $10. That's what happened with me. I got hooked. I love it, and it is amazing. So again, that link will be down below. Definitely, if you think this is something you will enjoy, go ahead and sign up because they sell out every month. So again, that link will be down below to get you your very first GlobeIn box for only $10. Woo! So let's get into the June 2019 GlobeIn box. And again, I did for this go with the actual theme, which was picnic, because it just seemed really fun. So now I will also say that because last month was the first month that I really did a bunch of add-ons, and I did it again this month. So like I said, that's going to be a separate video, but I did go ahead for that and kind of take stuff out. So I didn't have as much unwrapping to do in the video since I don't really edit my videos. So I did spend about 15 to 20 minutes just unwrapping because they package so well. Now, this box I have not opened, so I want you to see exactly how a box comes and how wonderfully packaged their items are. So let me grab the box. So here it is, this beautiful box. I love this. It's amazing. I love it. So let's get our box cutter here. And again, I did go with the actual June theme, which was picnic. And it just looked, like I said, so super adorable. I cannot wait. So when we open it, we have this on top right here that says GlobeIn Picnic Box. And then you can see here, we have a bunch of goodies in there. So I'm going to set this down just for a second. I do want to see if it tells us anything here. So right here, it says, "Hey Mavens, picture the perfect day. The sun is out, the birds are chirping, and a slight breeze flows through the fresh air. The air is crisp, but not so nippy that you need more than a light sweater. What better a day to spend at the park, on the beach, or by the pool, snacking, drinking, and chatting with family and friends. Take yourself outdoors for a fabulous al fresco lunch, sharing food, storytelling, or perhaps some summertime plain air guitar. Picnicking sure makes a romantic first date with that cute crush you've had your eye on, and your beautiful new picnic basket for two, hand woven by artisans in Bolgatana, Ghana. Bolgatana, Ghana is sure to make a great conversation starter. Or perhaps for a potluck with extended family and dear to your heart old friends. Chat about fair trade over some cheese and crackers, shared on your hand-painted enamel tray, and giggle over your oldest inside jokes with an Aperol spritz or soda water with lemon in hand, with your new set of tall hand-blown glasses. I have curated your picnic box with chill vibes in mind. So share food, reminisce, and fill your life with laughter. Nothing beats bonding time spent with loved ones under the sun. Cheers, Angela, the artisan box curator. So she is the one that actually curated this box. And then it will go into detail about each of the items, where they're made, and all of that, which I love. So we will reference that when we need to. So let's get taking stuff out. Y'all, oh my gosh, okay. And I believe everything is in here, which first of all is like the super cutest touch. Okay, so how cute is this little picnic basket? Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a little squished, obviously, from being in the box. But you can see, how cute is that? That is like the cutest little picnic basket ever. I want to get my Yogi Bear voice out. Picnic a basket. Or however he says it, but... So the picnic basket is from Ghana, and it is handmade, and right here it will show you one of the artisans. So she could have made our basket. That's really awesome. So it is crafted with vetiver grass, which is rolled by hand and dyed to give it a vibrant hue. The basket is conceived after 7 days of labor and hard work. It evokes that old-timey picnic vibe. This basket will make your picnic packing an easy breezy sort of affair. Just fill the basket with delicious fruits and foods. Enjoy a memorable picnic day with a perfect meal outdoors. I think this is so cute. Oh, I just love this. Okay, I am getting stuff like all over me, but that's okay. Now, how do I open this bad boy? That's gonna be okay. I got it. It's open. So they put all of our other goodies that came with the box this month inside the basket, which I think is so cute. So we will start here. Ooh. Okay. So let's see. This looks like this is something I guess they just threw in from Yes Peas. This is from Pop Chips, Himalayan salt, 3 simple ingredients: whole peas, a hint of oil, and salt. Popped pea chips. Now I love peas. I call them circle peas, like sweet peas. I've always called them circle peas since I was a kid. So this looks like some popped pea chips. I am excited to try these. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, definitely do. Southernmom521. I have been posting the last few days. I have literally just been wanting like a cucumber and string cheese, or a cucumber and hummus. So I think today I may have a cucumber and some pea chips. Yum. So now our next item. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So this is like a splatter design, which I really like. And you can see it's actually a pretty good depth, so it will hold. But it is enamel. And this, I believe, is the cheese tray. So let's see what it says. Enamel serving tray. I can get that out. Blue splatter. Handmade in India. Fair trade. Adorned in scrupulous workmanship. I don't know. Sometimes big words are too much for me. The hand-painted enamel tray is hand-painted and perfectly reflects the ideology that beauty is effortless. Cultivate a colorful platter for your picnic setting. This tray is stainless steel and is designed for layering with your other picnic items. This is so cute. And again, I love that splatter pattern. Splatter pattern. So here again is one of the artisans. And here it shows the tray like with some cheese and grapes and cookies. So gives you some ideas. That is super cute. So I am excited for this. And we do have a couple more items, I believe it's 2 more items that go with this box for June 2019. See, this is why, and I have my add-ons sitting right here. I've already opened them, but this is why I did go ahead and open them so that when I do that video separately, because we're already at 11 minutes, I'm not going to spend all this time like unboxing. So the next 2 items are the same and I think they are beautiful. I do know these are hand blown in Mexico because I believe all of their glass products are, but there are these 2 tall, beautiful glasses. One thing I love about the glasses, the quality from GlobeIn is absolutely amazing. You can see they are thick and just beautiful, but I love you guys. Because even though this is the June box, we're days away from July 4th. And I absolutely love the red, white, and blue that we have going on here at the top. I think it is so adorable. So we got these 2 glasses, so it would make a perfect date box. Or just, you know, make some lemonade, some sweet tea, whatever. I just think these are beautiful. So you can use these either with the picnic box, obviously, or without. But these, again, were the other 2 items. So let me set these to the side so I don't break them. And then we will read about those. Excuse me. Oh, looks like we have some recipes in the back. Tall hand-blown glass, red, white, and blue, handmade in Mexico. So here you can see one of the artisans, and then the 2 glasses. They are just gorgeous. So Jose has crafted the tall hand-blown glasses with painstaking attention to detail to reflect an aesthetic reminding you of the summer picnic. Made with recycled glass materials, these glasses are pretty unique, with a delicate touch of color. You will always find the perfect accompaniment. I can't talk today. Whether you want to sip wine, cognac, champagne, or simply some freshly squeezed orange juice. They just covered the spectrum there. But they do have some recipes back here. A refreshing limonada drink. So this is limes or lemons, sugar, water, ice cubes. Basically, this is lemonade. Or quick and easy recipe for fresh homemade limonada, lemonade, or limeade. So basically, I guess limonada. I was not aware of this. If you were, I apologize for telling you information you already know. A limonada is lime and lemon combined, like lemonade and limeade together. All right. And then we have an ambrosia salad recipe. It's creamy fruit salad loaded with pineapple, mandarin oranges, coconut, and many fruit-flavored marshmallows. So there is that recipe. I have had that quite often. It's good, but it is an acquired taste. And our final recipe, which I've had this before and it is amazing, is a Greek yogurt chicken salad. And this has like apples and grapes and almonds, and it's just, It's like the best chicken salad. So that was our June 2019 GlobeIn picnic box. I am super excited. I love every item. Like I said, this box never fails to amaze me. I think everything is so beautiful. And I will, again, put that link down below if you would like to sign up for GlobeIn and get your first box for only $10, y'all. You cannot beat it. So definitely give them a try. Even if you just want to try that first month for just $10, you will not be disappointed. Give them a try. See what you think. I'm telling you, they are amazing. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Now it's time to film the add-ons, which will be posted afterwards. So look for both of these videos today. I hope you have a fantastic one, and I will talk with you later. Bye.